Hi students, let us go with our new problem. Already we are discussing about the matrix in first year Maths A. Okay, let us go with our new method, that is the matrix inversion method. Given equations are can be solved by the matrix inversion method. Already we learnt about the concept of matrix inversion method. Yes or no? Okay. Let us go with our problem. Now given equations, given linear equations can be written as ax equals to d, then here we can write direct a equals to what? 2 the quotients of x, y, z, 2 minus 1 3, okay. Now 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 and d equals to 9 6 2, okay. Now x equals to the matrix column matrix x y z, then we need this one, okay. Now here we can apply the method by matrix inversion method. How to do in the matrix inversion method? Taking ax equals to d as a, let here x equals to a inverse into d. Yes or no? A inverse into d. Then first of all we have to find the a inverse. Then a inverse equals to, here a inverse equals to adjoint a by determinant a. Yes or no? It is nothing but a inverse. Okay. Then first we can finding the determinant a, because of we need determinant a as a not a 0, okay. It should be not a 0, okay. Then why it is a should be not 0? Because of we need a unique solution for given equation, definitely it should not be 0, okay. Then first of all determinant a, det a equals to determinant of a, then write 2 minus 1 3 and 1 1 1 and 1 minus 1 1, okay na? Then that equals to, right here 2 into their cofactor, it is a, okay, deleting the row and column, then determinant of this one 1 plus 1. Yes or no? Now here applying plus, already here minus, so minus of minus 1, here plus 1, okay. Then 1 minus 1, okay, and plus 3 into minus 1 and minus 1, okay na? Then 2 into 2, direct 2 into 2 4, it is a 0. Now it is a 3 into minus 2 be the minus 6, then that equals to minus 2, not equals to 0. Now A is a non-singular matrix, okay. Now we can finding adjoint A, okay. Let adjoint A equals to, adjoint matrix can be taken here. Let adjoint A equals to, adjoint A is nothing but what? The transpose of matrix, the matrix A. A equals what actually? By the given 2 minus 1 3 and 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1. Let us check, okay. Let 2 minus 1 3 1 1 1 1 minus 1 3, okay. Now here the cofactors, the transpose of matrix which is obtained by the replacing the elements. These elements are replaced by what? By their cofactors only. Yes or no? Now 2 cofactor is a 1 1 minus 1. Yes or no? But here plus with plus, here minus, here plus, here minus, here plus, minus, here plus, minus, plus, okay na? Signs are alternate. Then cofactor of 2 is nothing but what? Deleting the column and row, then the determinant of 1 1 minus 1, okay, plus of determinant of 1 1 minus 1 1, like this, okay. Then it should be a 1 plus of 1 1 into 1 1 plus 1 over. Now for minus 1, the cofactor is what? Minus of the determinant of deleting the row. After deleting the row and column, now determinant of 1 1 1 1 minus of 1 1, determinant of 1 1 and 1 1. Yes, it should be a minus of minus to 1 minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 1. Now what about 3? As usual, now remaining here plus. Similarly, now it is a 3 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 and minus 1. Okay, it's over. Next, then continue this process. By continuing this process, for 1 there is a minus here. Now deleting the row and column. Okay, like this. Okay, then for 1 therefore 1 is a minus 1 and plus 3. Yes, now for 1 here plus definitely. Now 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into 3. Okay, now here minus. Yes or no? For 1 minus 2. Okay, plus 1. Yes, minus 2 plus 1. Now here plus. Yes or no? For 1 this is a minus 1. Okay, 1 into 3 minus 3. Okay, now here minus of for minus 1 deleting the row and column. Now 1 into 2 minus and 1 into 3 minus 3. Yes or no? Then for last element is a for 1. Now here plus 2 plus 1. Okay, na? Let's simplification. Then it is a 2, it is a 0. Yes or no? It is a minus 2. Now it is a 2 minus 2. Yes or no? 3 minus 1 is a 2. Okay, now minus 1. Now it is a plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. And it is a plus 1 and 3. Okay, now this is the adjoint A. Okay, transpose of this matrix. Now after applying the transpose, now it is nothing but adjoint A equals to, transpose is nothing but rows or columns are interchanged. Yes or no? Now rows becomes as columns becomes as rows. Okay, now it is a 2 0 minus 2 column. It is a minus 2 minus 1 1. Now it is a minus 4 1 3. Okay, now this is the adjoint A. Okay, na? Complete matrix is the adjoint A. Now we need A inverse. Okay, then A inverse equals to, we know A inverse equals what? Adjoint A by det A. Yes sir. Okay, then 1 by det A. Det A is nothing but minus 2. Now adjoint A is nothing but 2 minus 2 minus 4. Yes or no? And 0 minus 1 1 minus 2 1 3. Okay, na? Now it is a inverse. But we need solution. X, we need X. Now then X equals to A inverse into D. Then X equals to 1 by minus 2. A inverse is a minus 2. Don't multiply here. Write direct here. 2 minus 4. 0 minus 1 1 minus 2 1 3 and into D. D is nothing but by the problem 962. Yes or no? Okay. Now multiplying here. Minus 1 by 2. Leave that. Now your multiplication. Here multiplication, observe here. Now it is a 3 by 3 matrix. Yes or no? Now it is a 3 by 1 matrix. Yes or no? 3 rows and 1 column. 3 rows. Now here 3 rows, 3 columns. Yes or no? Okay. Now your matrix multiplication is applicable because of number of columns of first matrix equals to number of rows of second matrix are equal. Then the product will be the matrix of order 3 by 1. Okay, na? Then multiply here. Rows into column. 2 into 9, 18. Minus 2 into plus 6. minus 2 into plus 6 minus 12, okay, minus 4 into 2 minus 4 into 2 minus 8, okay, 0 into 9 0, minus 1 into 6 minus 6, plus 1 into 2 plus 2, okay. Next, minus 2 into 9 minus 18, 1 into 6, second one into second one, plus 6, 3 into 2 plus 6, okay. Now observe here 3 rows and 1 column. Now here minus 1 by 2, 18 minus 20 minus 2, minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, minus 18 plus 12, minus 18 plus 12 is a minus 6, okay. Now we can multiplying. Now here minus 1 by 2 into minus 2, minus 1 by 2 into minus 4, minus 1 by 2 into minus 6, yes sir, okay. Now after dividing with the 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 threes are, okay. This is nothing but minus into minus minus 1 plus 1 plus 2 3, okay. Now solution is then x equals to 1, y equals to 2, z equals to 3, okay. This is the solution for system of linear equation, okay. Thank you for watching my videos. If you have any doubt, please comment in our comment box, and also follow my Facebook and also Instagram, okay.